Oily hair or excess sebum production is frustrating and embarrassing because it can cause hair to look unwashed and dirty, not to maintain limp and lifeless. There are ways to eliminate oily hair, and it's maybe easier than you think. Using the right shampoo to keep your scalp clean may be sitting right in your cupboard. Today's video will discuss tea tree, green tea and honey shampoo for oily hair. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Shampoo for oily hair recipe. Let's start preparing this shampoo for oily hair recipe. In a small bowl, combine the green clay and green tea and blend well. Green clay, also known as French green clay, is a type of mineral clay that contains highly absorbent properties, which is why it is great for eliminating oily hair problems. It is biomineral composed of both decomposed plant material and trace minerals such as calcium, aluminum, magnesium, silica, phosphorus, copper and zinc. Green tea is amazing because of antioxidants and it contains which are powerful because it has been fermented. It is great for controlling dandruff and psoriasis and contains beneficial vitamins such as vitamin C, D, E and B5. Next are the Castile soap. Castile soap is great because it's pure. You can use a plain version or choose peppermint for example. Now let's add the honey and apple cider vinegar. Honey is a natural humectant, helps make the hair soft and shiny, and fights off bacteria, while the apple cider vinegar provides useful pH balancing effect. Tea tree, green tea and honey shampoo for oily hair. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon green clay, 6 teaspoons strongly brewed organic green tea, cooled, 2 tablespoons liquid Castile soap, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 2 tablespoons raw apple cider vinegar, 10 to 12 drops tea tree essential oil, 4 ounces pure water. Directions: combine the green clay and green tea and blend well. Add the Castile soap and blend again. Now add the honey and apple cider vinegar and continue blending until well mixed. The mixture will likely be a bit thick at this point. Add the pure water and the tea tree essential oil. Blend until all ingredients are mixed and smooth. Place in a BPA-free bottle or glass container for storage. Store in the fridge up to 3 weeks. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.